Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and locating the Keyboard section. This is where Chromebook stores shortcut controls. Once done, use the search bar and type Keyboard to jump straight there and avoid digging through menus. Make sure you're on a managed device without admin restrictions because that can block changes. If you need a broader set of keys, enable the necessary accessibility options. This expands what you can remap and explains why we begin here rather than later. Next, you'll remap keys and add custom shortcuts inside the keyboard settings. Click each key listing, like search or caps lock, and assign a new function. This alters physical key behavior system-wide. For application-specific shortcuts, open Settings, go to Device then Keyboard, and add or edit shortcut combinations there to target apps or system actions. Make sure to test remapped keys immediately in a text field or the target app, so you confirm both the action and any unintended conflicts with existing combos. Finally, save your changes and, if necessary, sign out or restart to apply remaps consistently across sessions. If a shortcut doesn't work, check for conflicts. You can reset individual keys or use the Restore Defaults option to revert everything quickly. Make sure to verify admin policies if this is a school or work device, because those can override your settings. If all else fails and shortcuts remain broken, consider backing up data and power washing the Chromebook as a last resort fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.